Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to guide you through creating your very first sheet in Smartsheet. If you're new to Smartsheet or just been curious about how to get started, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only know the basic steps to create a sheet, but you'll also understand why each part of the setup matters, so you can set yourself up for success, whether you're managing a project, tracking tasks, or organizing any kind of information. Alright, let's jump right in. As soon as you open Smartsheet, you'll land on the home page. Think of this like your digital command center. It's where all your sheets, reports, and dashboards live. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll notice a plus sign, or depending on your version, you might see a button labeled Create. This is your starting point whenever you want to make something new in Smartsheet. Go ahead and click that. When you do, you'll see several options pop up. You might see templates, reports, even forms. But for this tutorial, we're going to focus on making a table, which is Smartsheet's way of saying, let's make a brand new blank sheet. So select Table from the menu. Now, once you've clicked to create your table, you're given a few layout choices for how you want your new sheet to look and behave. Here, where a little decision-making comes in. Look towards the top of the new window. That's where different layout options are displayed. For most folks, especially if you're just getting started, Grid is the way to go. Grid view is like a familiar Excel spreadsheet. Rows and columns where you can freely input your data. It's the default for a reason. It's flexible, it's easy to understand, and pretty much everyone uses it when starting out in Smartsheet. So to make sure you're in Grid view, just click Table at the top and then select Grid. If you're wondering why we prefer the grid, think of it this way: it's the foundation of Smartsheet. Just like building a house, you need to lay down a sturdy floor before you can put up walls or decorate your rooms. The grid gives you that solid base. You can always layer in more complexity later, like Gantt charts, cards for Kanban boards, or calendars. But starting with a grid lays the groundwork for everything you might want to do next. With your grid sheet created, you're ready to start entering your data. Click anywhere in those blank cells and start typing. Maybe it's a project task list, maybe it's an inventory schedule, or even just a daily planner. Feel free to play around and experiment. You can add column names by double-clicking at the top, or you can rearrange rows and columns if you need to. Don't worry if organizing your sheet takes a bit of time. Everyone finds their own rhythm as they get more comfortable. And honestly, that's it. With just a few clicks, you've created your very first sheet in Smartsheet. It might seem super simple, but now you've opened the door to everything the platform can help you accomplish. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or just want to share what you're working on in Smartsheet. There's always more to learn, so hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck building your next great project in Smartsheet.